Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching more update videos. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel with the new lecture. Dear friends, in this video tutorial I am gonna show you here the very important topic for today, that what is grade of concrete and water cement ratio, that for different grade of concrete how much water are required for M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, etc. Let's get started. Remember, for more videos you must like this video and subscribe this channel for getting notification for new update civil engineering videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. If you need the civil engineering update notes, so you can visit my website www.civilglobal.com. Let's get started. Like and subscribe, don't forget. Okay, so the important topic is for today grade of concrete. So we are simply like we can write that M5, simply we can say M7.5, M10, also we can say M15, M20, etc. So M15, M7.5, M10, M15, M20. So do you know that what is M? Simply we can say M stands for max. And the other one we have a 5. Okay, so for example M5 I have to define here. So 5. And 5 stands for, simply you can say that 5, so 5 is a number. Okay, so number stands for characteristic compressive strength of concrete. Okay, characteristics compressive strength of the concrete in 28 days. Okay, 28 days. So this is the direct compressive, so it depends on the direct compressive test. Okay, so therefore we can say this is M5. So M means M stands for max and 5 number stand for characteristic compressive strength of the concrete in 28 days. So when we do the M10 concrete in any construction work, so it means that this M5, so also you can say that this concrete work, when you do the construction in M5 for example, so it will get the strength of the concrete in 28 days 5 Newton per mm square. So this is the strength of the concrete after 28 days. So M7.5, so 7.5 Newton per mm square. Okay, 7.5 mm square. Same like you can say M20, so M20 must be gain the strength after 28 days 20 Newton per mm square. So this is the simple definition for the grade of concrete, that if you use the M5, so it will must gain the 5 Newton per mm square after 28 days, same like 7.5 M10, or we can say 15, 20, etc. Okay, now in next step I can show you here that how much water and water cement ratio are required for the M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, etc. So let's okay, so first of all we also required for the grade of concrete that we can say concrete mix. I have to show you here in this that grade, with grade we can also write here mix ratio. Okay, so simply you can say that grade. Okay, so grade is here Okay, here grade and here mix ratio. Okay, so the first one we have a M5. So for the M5 we have to take mix ratio. So mix ratio mean cement, sand, aggregate. Okay, so here we need 1 cement, okay, 5 sand, okay, and 10 aggregate. For M7.5 we can take 1, 4, 8. For M10 we can take 1, 3, 6. For M15 we can take mix ratio 1, 2, 4. For M20 you can take 1, 1.5 and 3. So this is grade and mix ratio. Now we have to find out that how much water liters are required for M5, for M7.5, for M10, for M15, for M20. So I have to use the second sheet for this, or doesn't matter. Here I will show you in this. Okay, water, how much water or how much liter of water are required for the different grade of concrete. So for M5 we can use, or simply I will tell you here that this is the grade of cement. Okay, grade of cement, or let's in next one I will show you, it will make a problem for you. So grade of cement we can say grade of cement. Okay, and the second one we have a water per bag 50 kg of cement. Okay, water per bag, so mean 50 kg cement. Okay, kg cement. So for this what we have to do now, grade of cement and water per bag, sorry, for bag. Okay, so bag 50 kg cement. Now for M5, M7.5, M10, M15 and M20, sorry, M20. Okay, so first of all for the M10 we need to use how much liter of water? 60 liters. Okay, 60 liters of water are required. For 7.5 we need how much? 45 liter. And for M10 we required 34 liter. Same like for M15 we need 32 liter. And for M20 we need 30 liters. Okay, so this is the very important topic for today, that grade of concrete and water cement ratio, and grade also you can say that grade and mix ratio. So you are able to learn grade of concrete, water cement ratio, and how much water are required for any grade of concrete. So this is the topic for today. For more videos you must like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, all the best, bye.